Please remain calm. Pay close attention to this alert. You may notice an anomaly in your area. An entity that does not resemble any known animal. You must flee from this creature. If you see it, run immediately. Do your best to create obstacles for it. Even if you cannot see it, keep running. Even if you cannot hear it, keep running. You should run for an hour after seeing it. Then find a hiding spot. You should not let it catch you. Severe injury or death is preferable. You will be alerted when the anomaly is contained. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Secure. Contain. Protect.